today's digital world, libraries, archives, and museums, collectively known as LAM, are leading innovative projects that preserve cultural heritage and make it available to anyone. Today, we will explore 4 outstanding examples that are transforming access to knowledge: Europeana, the Digital Public Library of America, the World Digital Library, and the Internet Archive. We begin with Europeana, an European Union initiative that, since 2008, has connected over 4,000 cultural institutions across Europe. This platform provides access to more than 58 million digital items, including books, works of art, and historical documents. The main goal of Europeana is to preserve and promote European cultural diversity through digital tools that encourage access, research, and the reuse of these resources. Additionally, Europeana uses open standards such as Dublin Core and RDF to ensure interoperability between systems and facilitate the creation of linked data. In this way, it aims to connect cultural institutions, enrich the user experience, and support innovation in education and creative industries. These standards are essential in the digital context because they allow cultural information stored in different formats and systems to be reused and linked, promoting the construction of a rich and more connected semantic web. What makes Europeana unique is that the use of open standards, such as Dublin Core and RDF, ensure that data is compatible and reusable. Its EDM data model integrates information from libraries, archives, and museums, enhancing the user experience and fostering innovation in educational and creative sectors. The DPLA officially launched in April 2013, following years of planning that began in October 2010. It resulted from a collaboration between libraries, technology, and educational leaders, with a vision to create an open, distributed national digital network. This network integrates resources from libraries, universities, archives, and museums nationwide. The DPLA mission is to provide free and open access to digitalized cultural materials from the United States. With over 30 million digital objects from more than 2,000 partner institutions, it offers a rich collection that includes photos, maps, historical documents, and audiovisual recordings. One of the DPLA's standout features in the innovation of the use of the metadata. The DPLA uses the Metadata Application Profile, or MAP, based on the Europeana data model, but tailored for medical culture institutions. This profile ensures structured and validated metadata, enabling seamless interoperability between different institution resources. Another key aspect of the DPLA is its commitment to open access. Most of this metadata is not subject to copyright, falling under the CCO public domain license. This ensures that cultural and scientific resources are freely accessible and usable without legal restrictions. The Digital Public Library of America exemplifies how technology and collaboration can revolutionize access to cultural heritage by offering an extensive collection of digitalized materials, leveraging cutting-edge metadata standards, and championing open access. The DPLI is paving a way for information and education, research, and creative industries. Let's explore now the World Digital Library, WDL, international project launched by UNESCO and the United States Library of Congress. This initiative connects people to the world's cultural treasures, fostering understanding across cultures. Since it launched in 2009, the World Digital Library has aimed to provide free and open access to cultural and heritage materials from across the globe by offering significant documents such as manuscripts, maps, books, photographs, or recordings. The WDL seeks to promote cross-cultural understanding and appreciation. The WDL collections span a variety of topics, including history, science, literature, and arts. Here are some of the highlights. Manuscript and rare books. The WDL preserves ancient manuscripts, religious texts, and historical books, providing insight for different legacy of various cultures. Map or cartographic documents. Its cartographic collection traces the evolution of geography from the 15th century onwards, showcasing discoveries and explorations that shape our world. Historical photos. The WDL offer a rich archive of images documenting global events, cultural practice, and daily life from earliest days of photography. The WDL also provides access to audio and video recording, including traditional music, historical speeches, and interviews. These recordings add depth and context to the understanding of global cultural heritage. Now we see the Internet Archive. It's a non-profit organization preserving digital history since 1996. Its mission is to ensure that information and culture remain accessible forever, overcoming the barriers like time or technology or physical decay. The Internet Archive provides free and permanent access to millions of resources, including books, films, music, software, and archive websites, through its vast digital repository. Its collection is constantly growing and today includes 835 billion of web pages archived through its Wayback Machine, 44 million books and texts for different libraries worldwide, 50 million of audio recordings, 10 million of videos with different television news programs, and millions of images and software programs. It's a treasure trove of knowledge and culture that spans the globe. One of the Internet Archive's standard tools is the Wayback Machine, launched in 2001. These innovative services allow users to explore past versions of websites, whether for research, nostalgia, or curiosity. With just a URL, you can view how a website looks on specific dates. This is invaluable for researchers, historians, and anyone interested in the history of the web. From defunct sites to previous designs or existing ones, the Wayback Machine preserves the ever-changing digital world. The Internet Archive played a critical role in digital preservation. Its collections include rare books, historical audio recordings, retro software, and television broadcasts. By digitalizing these materials, the archive ensures that educational, cultural, and historical resources remain accessible for future generations. It bridges a gap between the past and the present, enabling us to interact with material that might otherwise have been lost to time. In conclusion, these examples of Europeana, the Digital Public Library of America, and the World Digital Library and the Internet Archive illustrate how libraries, archives, and museums embrace digital innovation to preserve and share humanity's cultural heritage. These platforms ensure access to millions of historical and cultural resources and promote global collaboration, educational opportunities, and technology advancement. By leveraging open standards, interoperable metadata models, and cutting-edge tools, they connect people to knowledge, enrich the user experience, and foster a deeper understanding of our shared history in the digital age.